Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is RealMe 2 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will see unboxing and specifications of RealMe 2 Pro smartphone. Now I open the box. Inside the box there is smartphone, and there is user manual along with outer cover for your phone. And there is a charger, and the power cable. And let's remove the sticker. There is SIM ejector pin. This is SIM slots, 2 SIM slots and 1 memory card slot. There is no headset given along with this phone, so if you need, you can purchase it. And let's see what are the specifications for RealMe 2 Pro smartphone. Read all specifications in the display here. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.